back to another video, and this volume is on. I'm gonna turn it down. Let's just have it on because I have this song on in the background. But yes, today I am sitting on a horse. I am wearing tight jeans and shorts and boots from Spirit. If you ever watched that, I don't know why I still watch it. And also I'm wearing a crop top and a greyish hat, and also on a very majestic horse that it kind of looks ugly from the neck. No offense. But I am on a majestic horse, and today we are playing Star Stables. Now, this is my new horse, as you can tell, it's on level 1. There, level 1. Angel Beauty, my name is Elizabeth Strongbird, not actually. My name is completely different, its name is in my YouTube name. But see, look, so there's this horse. This horse is beautiful, although it looks a bit odd from the back. But look, see, there's this horse, which I'm going to get next. See, look, similar. The necks can exactly the same, feet, hooves, just a different colour. See, now I got this horse from another place, but I can buy this horse, I think. No, I can't. I have to be level 8, typical. But I can buy that one, which I'm not gonna buy any horses today. I've already bought 2 horses. I've got Caramel Beauty, which is my original one, and there's this one, which I am getting beautiful, but you have to be level 8. So that sucks. But then if you look at my map down in the corner, which is in a hoof, look how many levels I've got to do. We're going to get to level 8 quickly. Also, I've learned how to jump for this video, so I've been doing a lot of different things whilst I've been off. Jump! See? I can jump now. Oh, fudge crackles. Shit. Click it. Yeah. Oh, poop. Oh, I'm stuck. I thought I was stuck. Then there's also this horse, which is another majestic horse, which I just almost ran over. What a great idea. See, now, my 2 horses I am getting next time I get some more star coins. Hello, 1000. Yeah, as you can tell, I've been spending it on horses. But then you see this one? Mine. Level 8, the same as the... But they think the other one's level 12, which is sucks. But we will get to level 8 and we will buy you. We will buy you. But of course, that's a lot of money. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Yeah, not that much money. But I don't know what this is for. Raggedy Ann. That's so weird. I just hate that. I hate that. Why does it look like that? Why? Why? Level 8. So, when we reach level 8, I can buy both of these horses, decor them up, and they will look beautiful and on fleek like us. Now, I will not show you my other horses. You will have to wait until you see them again. Now, I have just took these horses out. Right. Today, guys, we are going... I need to go somewhere now. Actually, it's like... Spirit! I'm not actually bothered about Spirit anymore. He's a lying little donkeys. I had a beautiful horse than you. Mine's more beautiful. I can probably buy one of those apples, but I just can't be bothered to buy them. Look at the back of his hooves. They're like dirty as poop. So, you know, this is what we want to do, because we want to get some of these, and I need to get some of these to actually put them in there, because there's no point. Well, you are now actually going to see my stables. Why did I put so much of focus settings? I am gonna now kill myself. I'm not actually gonna kill myself, guys. I wouldn't give up this YouTube. This horse isn't gonna have a dog on it because they're too cute. Oh, fail. So, I'm going to show you my 2 other horses, which I love, and they are my favorite. We are already 3 minutes into the video, which sucks. So, here is my beauty. She's called Glory Spirit, not Angel Beauty. This one's called Angel Beauty. They are just mixing up the stables badly. This was my first horse. That one was my first horse. So, this one is Glory Spirit. This one's Angel Beauty. This one is Caramel Beauty, which it says here. So, it's Glory Spirit, Angel Beauty, and Caramel Beauty. So, yeah, then when we get 2 more horses, I will have those 2 horses in there. And then we will gradually fill this place up. Now, let's not do the jobs in 4-pin, because you're not allowed to jump in. I tried to attempt that earlier, but it just... I bought the barbecue. Are you actually... Cheese? Yeah, okay, I bought the barbecue. Well, let's make room, please, because I bought the barbecue, and I'm annoyed at myself. As you can tell, as I got the reindeer. Why is my voice just literally dropped? Why? I don't know why, but oh well. No, I wanna jump. I wanna break the rules. Why can't people break the rules? Like, literally just break the rules if you're breaking a rule already. Just break them. Just snap them right now. Okay, and now we are gonna go to the bus stop to decoy him up. Her. And thick. Oh my gosh, that. Oh my god. Okay, let me just rephrase the sentence. We're going to decor my angel beauty up and make her look on fleek. Now we've just got to wait 2 time seconds. I think that's 2 minutes. If we have to wait 2 minutes, I'm out. I'm out. Dip. Dip. Oh my god, it's my dream house! I'm just joking. Look at my beautiful house. My house is better than yours. How much what's the time left? That's my horse. I want the horse. I will get your horse. And I will steal it. I don't even know what these mean. 2 minutes. Okay, yeah, we're gone. We're going. We're going. I'm just going to ride around for a bit because my horse is faster than you actually think. That's all we can do. So, by I mean fun, I mean naughtiness. Jump! Beautiful. Fail. Okay, so let's just take it over here. Yeah, you've made it! Yeah, you made it to glory stage. Jump. Jump. I'm just going to jump constantly. Wow, they can jump high. My horse can only jump like 2 inches. I actually have a horse in real life and he can jump like 2 inches and then he's out. He's dipping. Bro, he just dipped. He just dipped. Dipped. I think I have to go head full on. Yeah, we made it that time. Beautiful, baby. I love you. See, he's only in this fast and he isn't even that fast. And it says he's the fastest horse pretty much here. Or he was in Silver Lead and I'm sure there's much more faster horses. Bus stop! Yeah, the bus is here. Yeah, the bus is here. Today, I don't think I'm gonna get to go to Misty Falls, but let's just today decorate him up because I want to decorate him up. You know, for starters, you need the bus stop, go to the bus and you Boca City Mall. And that's what I have. My name's Deborah. I used to be a smoker. I'm still a smoker. Run, woman, run to the horse store. I love the way they've actually got moving conveyor belts. That's just like epic. Well, we are going to deco my horse up, and my limit is 7,700. Sorry. If I had 7,000, I would scream my head off. So let's see what choices of blankets do we have. We have this one. Blech. Some of these will be disgusting, so I will vomit. That is nice. We're looking for a creamy color. You can see my face now. My face looks like a pouty face, but with the eyebrows up. So let's just go for a creamy white color. They are not going to be free. There's none that's never free. They're always never free. I swear. Like whenever I come to this creamy section, none of them are ever free. Well, screw that idea. Let's go for grey. Let's go for grey. Already got some good ones for grey. So that was that one. But that feel a bit creamy color, but that's 33. Yeah. See, that's what I'm looking at. I'll show you which one I'm trying to look for. I'm looking for something like white like this. It's my bedtime, yeah. I thought it was. I was listening to my dad bingo. I was like, but no, it isn't. That's kind of what I'm looking for. But they don't have it. So I'm going for grey. I need like a big one though. I need like a big one though. How about purple? Purple ones suit? Nope. Blue? No, I'm not gonna go for blue again. Blue's already been taken by the other horse here. Red. Let's go for red. Let's see what red does. Makes a change. Makes a change, yeah. Oh my gosh, these are all hard. I'm gonna scream and kick my haircut. I know I have a special ability. I'm gonna go for that actually. If we waited one more level, like, I could have pretty much got everything here. Well, maybe not. Let's get this. Baby stock coins. Get a saddle to match that. So what is it? This is red, so we need like a reddish saddle, and none of them are good, so we may have to dip on this one. Unless we have some good ones. None of these are good! Go back to what else goes with red? Blue? No. What else goes with red? Black. They've got black saddles, surely. None of that. That's just expensive. That made my pen go a snake. I just want something big and bold so I can see. Level 9. What a surprise. Surprise! What a surprise! Okay, so we're ready to have to wrap up soon, but let's just find a saddle. Gray. Please have good ones. Please. Please. You're useless. They have a white saddle. What a ripoff. How about I sell this one? Thank you. Oh, I had to sell for 200. That's poor. That's just really poor. Okay, so what I'm now going to go for, I'm going to go into grey, and I'm going to go into saddlebacks, because this one I'm getting now, which isn't bad. Star coins, 33. Now we're going to go into grey, saddles. As you can tell, I saw this one down here. Thank you. Actually, does it suit him? Yeah, no, I like it. I'm good with it. White ones. Oh my gosh, none of them are free. That one isn't bad. Let's go for a white one. See what white ones. I had that one for my little horse. Let's go. Yes! My dad's calling me, guys. Awkward. How about we just go for? Oh my gosh, they've actually got good ones. They've got a lot of different ones I can have. But now it's 12 minutes past. I think I'm gonna have to wrap the video up. I probably will make a part 2. Why is this mouse so peaceful? Oh yeah, I'm getting this one. So we've got our outfits. Now we've got the outfit. I'm gonna wrap the video up here, guys. I'm sorry this video had to be so short, but I will probably make a part 2 in a second. Perhaps not. I probably will. But yeah. So I'll upload this one, so part 2, part 1, and I'll make a part 2. So guys, I hope you watched this video. Don't forget to subscribe for pretty much now. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel and break it. And also don't forget to break the like button. And don't forget if I make videos every, I don't know, 2 days or something. 3 days. I'm trying to get into the routine of doing it every day. A few days ago I had a huge gap. By the way, I am making a part 2 of that Roblox thing. It just doesn't seem to want to work and it keeps on kicking me out by the time I get into the game. As soon as I get in, it locks me out. But yeah, hit the like button for more videos for me. And no, more videos from me. And don't forget to smash the. I'm really gonna rephrase all of this. Okay, rephrase it. Okay, I've rephrased my sentence. Don't forget to subscribe to the new, well, pretty much by far a new channel to YouTube. My new channel to YouTube. Rephrase it again! I'm not having problems with anything else. I'm just having problems rephrasing my sentences. I'm gonna have to end it now. But subscribe to the channel, well, to my channel on YouTube, and don't forget to smash the like button if you like my videos. And you have to have liked my videos if you sub. Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to Jake Paul, which they'll probably say it in the sidebar, but yeah. And also leave my notification bell on, because I make videos every 3 days. So I hope you guys had a good day, because I had a good day, and I had a good day playing this game, although I have been at school. But I have pretty much had a good afternoon playing this game with you guys. So yeah, peace out!